Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You might be wondering why even try cooking beef liver. Well, it's actually a nutritional powerhouse, absolutely loaded with vitamins like B12, iron, and vitamin A. Plus, when it's prepared the right way, it can be surprisingly delicious. It has a rich, distinct flavor that's quite unique, and it's a wonderful way to add diversity to your diet. It's truly a hidden gem in the kitchen. Before you even think about cooking, proper preparation is key. First, give your beef liver a good rinse under cold water, then pat it completely dry. A fantastic tip to reduce that strong, sometimes metallic taste is to soak the slices in milk for at least 30 minutes. This step truly mellows out the flavor. And finally, make sure to trim off any tough membranes, ensuring every bite is nice and tender. Now for the cooking itself, pan frying is a fantastic method. Start by lightly dusting your liver slices with a bit of seasoned flour. This creates a beautiful, crispy crust. Heat some butter or oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Carefully place the liver in the hot pan. Cook it for just 2 to 3 minutes per side. You want it lightly browned on the outside and still tender, never tough. Once your liver is cooked, simple additions can truly elevate the flavor. Sautéed onions are a timeless classic that really balances the richness of the liver. You can also add a small splash of balsamic vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right at the end. This brightens everything up beautifully. For a fresh, aromatic touch, sprinkle on some chopped fresh parsley or thyme just before serving. These little touches make a big difference. Remember, the golden rule when cooking beef liver is to avoid overcooking it at all costs. Overcooked liver becomes tough and unappetizing. You want it to be just barely pink in the center, ensuring it stays wonderfully tender and moist. Serve your perfectly cooked liver immediately with your favorite sides like mashed potatoes or fresh greens. You'll be surprised how delicious and easy it is to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.